sleep isn't shutting down. It's something far stranger. You think it's just pausing, like turning off a machine after a long day. But that is a lie. When your eyes close, a hidden door inside your brain opens, and your brain does not shut down. It shifts into cleaning mode.
Imagine a city during the day, trash piling up everywhere. If no trucks ever came, the whole city would fail. Your brain has a sewage system too. It's called the glymphatic system, and it only turns on when you sleep.
Here's how it works.
Every moment you're awake, your brain cells produce waste. Adenosine, your mental ash. The more you think, the more ash builds up. After 16 hours awake, your brain becomes toxic. That pressure you feel, that's the weight of the ash. But here's the miracle. When you fall asleep, your brain cells shrink, 60% smaller. So how do you activate this cleaning system? First, reduce light exposure. Your brain reads darkness as a repair signal. Second, reduce screen time. Third, keep your room slightly cool. Cooler temperatures shrink brain cells faster. And finally, slow breathing. Calm mind, faster cleanup. Your brain isn't shutting down at night. It's entering its most important job, repairing you. Every night is a chance to reset, a chance to let go of everything you don't need. And tomorrow, we'll stop the mental loops.